Hey, sweetie, I just wanted to let you know that, um, I'm sorry for being so toxic and such a toxic boyfriend. I know throughout the years you've been putting up with me, and I really appreciate it. And I've been doing a lot of self-reflecting, and I realize what a crappy person I am, you know, how I treated you and stuff, and I just wanted to apologize and let you know that I'm gonna do better. Mm. I guess one of the things that, I'm not the most proud of is that I separated you from your family. I know, I know it's very toxic of me, but, I think I had good reason for it. I didn't think that your family would accept me. I didn't think that your parents would accept me. And I didn't think they would accept our relationship together. And I didn't want them to influence what me and you had. So I did what I did, and I separated you from your family because I just didn't want them to influence you. I know they're going to tell you that I'm a bad person and stuff like that, but I love you, and I didn't want to let outside opinion affect our love. So I did what I did. I'm not proud of it, but I felt like it had to be done. Mm. And I'm sorry for isolating you from your friends. I did it for a reason because I knew what your friends were gonna say about me, I knew that they were gonna tell you that you can do better. That I'm not treating you right. That you can find someone more handsome, Just stuff like that, and I didn't want you to go out and find someone new. I didn't want you to go out and find someone better. So I isolated you from your friends and everyone. I thought that if I was the only one, I would be the only option. And that you would never leave because I would be your only option, and I didn't want to lose you to anyone. I know I'm toxic. I know I'm not the best man, but I'm trying and I'm changing. I love you so much, and I guess I was just afraid of losing you. That's why I did what I did. I know it's not right. It's not, but I'm sorry, and I did what I did for us. And I wanted to let you know that I'm gonna be a changed man. I'm gonna do better. I'm not gonna be toxic anymore. Because you deserve it. I'm gonna treat you so good. And I know it may be hard to believe, but I will. You're my little princess. love you so much, and I don't think you understand how much I love you. I would do anything for you. No, sure, sweetie. You can ask me anything. Anything you would like. No, sweetie, you can't leave. I built this cage for you. I don't think you understand how hard it was for me to kidnap you. So, you are never gonna leave. You know I love you very, very much, right? I do, I love you so much. You know, it's only been a month that you have been here, trapped in my basement. But trust me, over time, you will love me. I'll make sure of it. I'll do everything I can for you to love me. 'Cause you're my baby, and I'll always take care of you. You know that, right? So just stay here. You're gonna stay here until you love me. You understand, right? Yes, you do. Now you keep on calling me crazy. I'm not crazy. I'm not crazy. Would a crazy person keep you here locked up like this? I don't think so. I'm not crazy. I may be crazy in love, but that's about it. I'm not a crazy person, but again, I'm just madly in love. I'm crazy in love with you, that's all. Nothing more, nothing less, okay, sweetheart? And you, my dear, should be crazy in love with me too. You should. It'll be fun. I know, but you can never leave, and I'm not crazy. I just want to let you know I'm not crazy. Okay? I love you very much. You're my everything. You're my princess. And I just wanted you to know that you are never gonna leave. You're gonna be with me forever. You'll be happy here with me, trust me. I love you so much. And I know that you love me. You just don't know that you love me yet. You just don't know. You're gonna be so happy with me, I promise. Down here in this basement, in this cage, I'll make the perfect environment for us. You'll love me. Don't be sad. Don't be sad. Come on. As soon as you love me, you'll be happy, I promise. Don't be sad. You don't understand how much I love you. If you love me just as much as I love you, you'll be the happiest girl in the world. Trust me. You love me. You just don't know it yet. You really don't. Just open your heart to me and you'll be so, so happy. There's so many things that we can do down here. In this basement. In this cage. Oh, we can cuddle. We can hold hands. We can watch movies together. I can cook for you. And I'll buy you anything you want and I'll bring it back. And you'll be happy. You'll be happy doing things with me. I promise. I promise you'll be so happy. You'll love me. You'll learn to love me over time. I'm willing to do anything for you. I'm willing need to change to be anything you want. For you to be. For you to accept me. And for me to be your perfect man. I just want you. And only you. And no one else. I love you so much that it hurts. And you'll be happy with me. And there's so many activities that we can do together. So, don't worry. Everything's gonna be okay. You will never ever leave. You're never gonna leave me. You're never gonna see your family again. Or your friends. Because it's just gonna be me and you. Me and you, sweetheart. Oh, don't cry. You'll be so happy with me. I can't let you go. I can't ever lose you. I can't lose my baby. And that's why you can't leave. Because you're gonna be mine forever. And I hope you understand that. Oh, baby. I know you want to be out of this cage, but I can't do that. I gotta keep you in here until I can trust you. It'll take time for me to trust you. And I hope you understand. Don't worry, baby. Once I see that you love me like I love you, maybe I can let you leave this cage. Maybe you can have this whole basement to yourself. You'll have more freedom. But I gotta understand that you love me as much as I love you. I love you so much, my perfect little angel. Here, don't be sad, okay? Don't be sad. Come here. Come cuddle with me. Come cuddle with me right now. Don't be sad. It's okay. Here, come close. I don't bite. There you go. Isn't this better? Yeah? You know, you got the most beautiful eyes in the world. You really do. Your eyes are something special. They are. I mean, I'm not saying this just to impress you, but they are. It's like, and they sparkle when you like talk about something you love, you know. It's a little bit distracting sometimes, but I don't mind it too much. I mean, who wouldn't get lost in those eyes? I mean, sometimes when the light just hits your eyes just right, they glow. Like you have this unique beauty that I can't help but notice, you know? But on the real though, you should really be careful. With eyes like those, you might steal someone's heart without even trying. You stole my heart. You know, you got the most beautiful lips in the world. You do.